this EF is parallel to AB. Then we have to prove that AE divided by ED, AE divided by ED is equal to BF divided by FC. BF divided by FC. So what we will do here, we will do some construction here. Okay, we will do some construction here. Suppose I have just joined this A with C. So I am joining A with C. A with C. Suppose this is some point G. This is some point G. Now see this triangle. We have now two triangles. One triangle is this ADC and another triangle is ABC. We have two triangles now. So first see in, and it is given that it is given that this AB will be parallel to DC because this is a trapezium. Okay, this AB will be parallel to DC, and this is given also here. AB parallel to DC. So this AB is parallel to DC. Okay, and this EF is parallel to AB. This EF is parallel to AB. It means that this EG must be parallel to DC. Okay, this EG must be parallel to DC. Okay, this AB is parallel to DC. Okay, this AB is parallel to this DC, and this EF is parallel to AB. So we can say this EF also parallel to DC, or we can say this EG parallel to DC. So in triangle ADC, in triangle ADC, we know that this EG is parallel to DC. This EG is parallel to DC. So EG is parallel to DC. So we can apply basic proportionality theorem. See this triangle, in this triangle, no? So this EG is parallel to DC. So I can write AE divided by ED. AE divided by ED is equal to AG divided by GC. AG divided by GC. This is your equation number 1. Now see this triangle ABC. So in triangle ABC, you can say this GF is parallel to DC. This GF is parallel to DC. So in triangle ABC, GF is parallel to AB. Parallel to AB. In bracket, you can write from BPT. So you can write this line and this line parallel. So you can write CF divided by FB. CF divided by FB is equal to CG divided by GA. CG divided by GA. This ratio means CF FB is equal to CG GA. Here we are using basic proportionality theorem. Now what we have to prove? AE by ED, BF by FC, BF by FC. So here is BF by FC. Okay, so what we will do? We will reverse this. We will take the reciprocal. So I can write this BF divided by FC is equal to AG divided by GC. Okay. I have reversed this. I have taken the reciprocal on both the sides. Suppose this is equation number 2. Now see the right hand side of equation number 1 and right hand side of equation number 2. Both are equal. So you can say right hand side of 1 and 2 equal. So left hand side also be equal. Left hand side of 1 and 2 must be equal. So you will get AE by ED. This is left hand side AE by ED. AE by ED is equal to left hand side of equation number 2 BF by FC. BF by FC. Okay, this we have to prove. So this is your answer. Now this question. So in this question, figure is given and this is given. PS SQ, PS divided by SQ, PS divided by SQ, and PT divided by TR, PT divided by TR. Okay, and this angle is equal to this angle. Angle PST is equal to angle PRQ. Angle PRQ. Prove that the triangle PQR is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. This we have to prove. Okay, so if we want to prove this is the isosceles triangle. Means what we have to prove? We have to prove that two sides of the triangle must be equal. If we can prove that two sides of this triangle, any two sides of this triangles are equal, then this will be a isosceles triangle. Okay, so first we will write the given data. What is given? So given that PS by TR SQ is equal to PT divided by TR. So what we can conclude from here? It means that this ST will be parallel to QR. This ST will be parallel to QR. See here, PS SQ PT TR means the ratios are equal. This ratio PS SQ equal to PT TR. By the converse of Pythagoras theorem, by the converse of basic proportionality theorem, we can say that ST will be parallel to QR. So by converse of BPT, converse of basic proportionality theorem. And now see, suppose if this is one line and this is another line, okay, both the lines are parallel. If this is the line, another line, so if this angle is theta, this angle will also be theta, na? This angle will also be theta. So you should note this corresponding angles. Okay. So here see, this angle and this angle will be equal. So you can say angle S must be equal to angle Q. Angle S is equal to angle Q. Okay. Angle S is equal to angle Q, but in the question it is given that angle S is equal to angle R. Okay, I am writing angle PST as angle S, angle PRQ as angle R. So angle S is equal to angle R is given. So we can say that angle Q is equal to angle R. So we can say angle Q is equal to angle R. Means this angle and this angle both are equal. Both are equal. So we can say this angle and this angle are equal. So we can say this side and this side will be equal. Okay. So we can say PQ is equal to PR. So we can say PQ is equal to PR. And why we are saying this? Sides opposite to equal angle, opposite to equal angles are equal. Finish. Hence we can say that this is a isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. Hence given triangle is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. So in this way we have to prove. First we will see what is the given data, then we will see what we know, then we will see what we have to prove, and what we know we will apply and we will get the answer. Got it, Azaan?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so no need to write the question because question is available in NCERT. So this is example 2 of NCERT chapter number 6. Okay, chapter number 6. Triangle is chapter number 7 or 6? Chapter number 7.
6, sir.
6. Okay, chapter number 6. Okay, so write here like this. Chapter number 6, example number 3, like this. Don't, and write only the solution part.
Okay.
Yeah. तो ट्राइंगल जो है बहुत इजी चैप्टर है. इसमें थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखना होता है कि गिवन डेटा क्या है, हमें प्रूव क्या करना है. शुरू में थोड़ा सा मुश्किल लगता है, लेकिन जब आप प्रैक्टिस कर लेंगे देन इट विल बी ओके फॉर यू. ये फिगर draw this figure also, because here
Okay, sir.
I have done the construction, so you should know what construction I have done. Scroll down.
Yes, sir.
Okay, write chapter number 6, example number 3, and then write the solution. I have written P angle PST as angle S, angle PQR as angle Q, angle PRQ as angle R. So here you can write this angle S is equal to angle Q. So this is from this. Okay. Because this is parallel, so this angle must be equal to this angle. So you can write corresponding angle. Done?
No, sir. One.
Okay. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so next question. This question is very easy question. From the exercise I have taken. See this question. In figure 6.17, this is figure 6.17. Figure 6.17. Figure number 1 and second. This is figure number 1 and figure number second. So here given that DE parallel to BC, DE parallel to BC, find EC. In this triangle you have to find this EC. This. And in second triangle you have to find this AD. Simple. What you will do, you will apply the basic proportionality theorem. Okay. So I am solving the question number second. Second I am solving. First you should solve. This is SW. So see this triangle. D is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC. If DE is parallel to BC, so I can write AD divided by DB. AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC. AE divided by EC. AE divided by EC. Okay. By basic proportionality theorem. By basic proportionality theorem. Basic proportionality theorem says that if this line and this line means DE parallel to BC, then AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC. So AD we have to find, DB is given. We have to find AD. DB is given as 7.2 centimeter. And AE, what is the value of AE? AE is 1.8 centimeter. 1.8. What is EC? EC is 5.4. 5.4. From here you can calculate AD. This will become 18 point and point. You can remove this point from here and from here also. So this will become 18 divided by 54 multiplied by 7.2. Where you will remove this point, here you will write 10. So this will become 3. Okay. 18 3 is 54. And this will become 3 2 is 6. 3 4 is 12. So your AD will become 24 by 10. So this will become 2.4 centimeter. This will become 2.4 centimeter. So this you should do. And this is the answer number 2nd. Okay, this is from chapter number 6, exercise. Now another question. This question is very easy. So I think I should solve this. Then we will solve this. Using theorem 6.1. Theorem 6.1 is basic proportionality theorem. I have told you 6.1 is basic proportionality theorem. 6.2 is converse of basic proportionality theorem. So they are saying using theorem 6.1, prove that a line drawn through a midpoint of one side of triangle parallel to another side bisect the third side. Bisecting means dividing the side in two equal parts. So suppose I have taken a triangle here. This is the triangle I have taken. Okay. So a line drawn through the midpoint of one side of the triangle. Choose any one side. Choose any one side. So this side I have chosen, and suppose this is the midpoint M. Midpoint of this triangle, and this is triangle ABC. Okay. So line drawn through midpoint. So we will draw a line through this midpoint parallel to another side. Parallel to another side means this side parallel to this side. This is another side this time. So we will draw a line parallel to another side. Okay. So draw a line which should be parallel to this side. Suppose this line bisects this AC at N. So side of a triangle parallel to another side bisect the third side. Bisect the third side means this is the third side. Bisect this AC. Bisecting this AC means this AN must be equal to NC. To prove, what we have to prove? This AN is equal to NC. means this AN is equal to NC. Then we can say this point N is bisecting the side of triangle AC. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So now what we will do, given that this MN is parallel to VA, because we have to draw a line which is parallel to this side. Okay, so given means this, we have drawn this line MN parallel to VA. So your MN parallel to what? VA. And one thing more given, this M is the midpoint of VC. M is midpoint of VC. If this M is midpoint of VC, means you can say this VM is equal to MC. You can say this VM is equal to MC. That is VM is equal to MC. Suppose this VM is equal to MC is, suppose K. Okay, suppose this K. So this is K and this is K. So now what we will do, as this MN is parallel to AB, as this MN is parallel to AB or VA, you can say AB, then by basic proportionality theorem, you can say CM divided by MB, CM divided by MB is equal to CN divided by NA. What you can say? CM divided by, this is CM divided by MB is equal to CN, this CN divided by NA divided by basic proportionality theorem, by basic proportionality theorem. Now put the value. The value of this MC and CM, same thing na. This is MC and CM, both are same thing. So what is this CM? CM is equal to K. Okay, very good. Right here K. MB, this is MB. BM and MB are same thing. So MB is equal to K. So right here K. What is here? Here is CN and NA. This K and K will be cancel out. So what you can write? This CN NA is equal to 1 divided by 1. So you can write your CN is equal to NA. Okay. So this we have to prove na. CN is equal to NA. So this is your CN is equal to NA, or you can write NC is equal to AN. Both are same thing. Hence proved. This NC is equal to AN. This NC is equal to AN. NC is equal to AN means this line MN which is parallel to AB bisecting this AC of the triangle. Okay, write down. Don't write this question. Write only chapter number 6, question of exercise, question number 1 only, and write down the solution only. Scroll down, Azaan.
Yes, sir.
So write this question number 7, chapter number 6 from the exercise. Okay, then write this and draw the figure also. Write down fast.
Sir, scroll down, please.
Okay. Done?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. So this question I am taking question number 5 from the exercise chapter number 6. So chapter number 6 question from exercise. This figure is given in this question. Okay. And in figure 6.20, this is 6.20 figure. DE parallel to OQ. See, where is DE? This is DE. This is DE. This is parallel to OQ. This is DE parallel to OQ. And DF parallel to OR. And this is DF. This is DF parallel to OR. So this is DF parallel to OR. Show that EF parallel to QR. This is EF. This is EF. This is QR. So very easy question. What is given? First write what is given. DE parallel to OQ and DF parallel to OR. This is given. What we have to prove? EF parallel to QR. EF parallel to QR. This we have to prove. So first see this triangle. Triangle POQ. Triangle POQ, what is given? DE parallel to OQ. DE parallel to OQ. So this DE parallel to OQ. So we can apply basic proportionality theorem. We can write PD divided by DO is equal to PE divided by EQ. Okay. We can write PD divided by DO is equal to PE divided by EQ. Question number 1. Now see this triangle POR. Triangle POR. Triangle POR. What is given? DF parallel to OR. DF parallel to OR. This DF parallel to OR. So I can write PD divided by DO is equal to PF divided by FR. So PD DO. PD divided by DO is equal to PF FR. PF FR. Equation number 2. See, in equation number 1 and equation number 2, left hand side of equation number 1 is equal to the left hand side of equation number 2. So we can say right hand side of equation number 1 must be equal to the right hand side of equation number 2. So here you can write left hand side of equation 1 and 2 are equal. So right hand side of equation 1 and 2 must be equal. So you can write PE divided by EQ is equal to PF divided by FR. And how I have written this? From BPT. How I have written this? From BPT. Now PE divided by EQ and PF divided by FR. PF divided by FR. Now by the converse of BPT, we can write this EF must be parallel to QR. See here. This PE divided by EQ is equal to PF divided by FR. So I can write from converse of BPT, EF must be parallel to QR. So you can write EF must be parallel to QR. QR. Why? Converse of BPT. EF parallel to QR. Finish. Write down. Write down only the solution. So this exercise number 6.2 is also finished from my side, and practice more questions from the NCRT or from the book you want. In the next class of maths, we will first discuss the introduction of the exercise number 6.2, then we will discuss the example and then the questions of exercise. Azaan completed?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay, so I am sharing the question. Just screenshot लेना आता है आपको?
जी सर.
Okay, so इनका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो, ये जो है